Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This time we're back in the forest, so welcome to Pancake Day in the forest. Right, we're back at Beacon Fell again. Now, up here used to be a lovely little wood, but due to storms and some Lyme disease, they had to fell this part of the forest. It's a bit of a shame, but they've replanted, so hopefully in the future we'll start to see the beautiful forest again. It's like, you know, we're back at Beacon Fell again. Nice little jump with the kids. It's a perfect place for it. Now what we did the other day, I'll put a link in here for you. We were literally just along that tree line, just right in the far side there, the base of that hill. So we're getting the view from the other side today. So yeah, we're just about to head up this hill and disappear into the forest. So that view there is looking over towards Preston. Pan round. Oh, just over there in the distance is Blackpool, and head further up towards Lancaster and Lake District, just up there. What a view! Absolutely stunning. Yeah, just over there in the distance. Up there we walked along that ridge there and dropped down. I don't even just make out the farmhouse just in the trees there. We followed that all the way down. So yeah, getting a different perspective today. So we continue to pan round. So we're going to head into the forest shortly. Incredibly busy up here today, as it always is. But yeah, Beacon Fell Country Park. It's only got a small footprint, but there's lots to do and lots to explore and imagination and everything else. The triangulation point here at Beacon Fell. In the distance there, you can see where we walked the other day. There we go. Adventure playground for the kids. Perfect time to get the kettle on. Time for a well-earned brew, babes.
Oh, it's hot.
Hi guys. Beacon Fell, it's only a little place. Like I said earlier, it's got a small tiny little footprint, so if you're not really experienced at hiking or walking, it's a perfect place to start. It's got everything, it's got the tracks, it's got the trees, just to get yourself you know, in the mood or learn a new skill or whatever. But yeah, it's really good for that. It's all right. Yeah, the girls have brought their generation dolls with them today, so it's like having 4 children today. So they're just organising their kids.
There we go.
We sorted? Yeah. Right.
Yep, we're sorted.
On we go. But yeah, there's just some sensational views. I mean, the atmosphere in here and the smell is just stunning, isn't it? You know, smell of pine, the smell of the forest, really. It's just amazing. What do you think of Beacon Fell, girls?
Good.
You like it up here?
Yeah.
How are the dolls?
Good. They just want the pancakes.
They want the pancakes. Oh yeah, yeah. We'll get them at lunchtime. Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, we're ready to do pancakes. Right now, Pancake Day was a traditional day just before Ash Wednesday, so Shrove Tuesday, and the tradition came from when everybody would use up all the milk and sugar and eggs and butter for everything else they're giving up for Lent. So there you go. So rather than having pancakes at home, we decided to bring it out into the forest and just make it a little more interesting. So a quick lesson on pancakes. So as usual, we brought our own usual burner out. Get it going. Right, so we brought the some spray oil, so I'll just pop that in there. And we brought the you know, the pre-mixed stuff, because rather than bringing eggs and flour and everything else, so yeah, just pop a little bit in there. Now let's get cooking. Okay, so we're getting there now. The girls are over there in the trees at the moment.
Yummy syrup to go on it. Yum yum.
Yeah. Yep, there we go. So that's the first one done. Get some nice maple syrup on the inside there. So fold it over, bit like an omelette, and pop it on the girls' plates. So there we go. There's one.
Oh, they smell delicious.
So let's see, bit of oil in the pan. I'll get on with the next one, and I'll see you in a bit. Right, girls, tell the world how wonderful they are. Pancakes in the forest?
Yeah.
Good. Happy days. Right guys, so there we go, just finishing off the last pancake for the girls. Just goes to show that you can make even Pancake Day a little bit more interesting out in the forest with a beautiful lake like that. So there we go, see you in a bit. Right, it's lunchtime over with, and as I've shown you, like we always say, take your rubbish home, leave no trace, make it look like you were never there. Right guys, so there you go, pancakes in the forest. It's just a bit of an incentive really to get the kids out walking, because especially this time with what's going on in the world, it's good to get out and, you know, get some fresh air in this stunning countryside that we have. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment if you wish, and subscribe if you haven't. So we will see you in the next video. So from home with the Shackletons, take care and bye bye.